Welcome back to Mental Math. This problem looks incredibly intimidating. We have nested roots, cube roots wrapped around square roots, and it is not at all obvious how to simplify this. But the solution is shockingly elegant. Our first move is to give this entire expression a name. Let us call it x. We define x as our original expression. Our goal is now to find the value of x. The main obstacle here are these cube roots. To eliminate them, the most direct strategy is to cube both sides of the equation. Cubing the left side gives x cubed, and the right side becomes this entire quantity cubed. To expand the right side, we need the formula for the cube of a binomial. A minus b all cubed equals a cubed minus b cubed minus 3 times ab times the quantity a minus b. Now let us apply this formula to our expression for x cubed. Here, a is the first cube root, and b is the second. Notice that the final term, a minus b, is just our original expression, which we called x. Let us simplify this piece by piece. The first two terms are easy, as the cube and cube root operations cancel each other out. This leaves us with the square root of 5 plus 2, minus the quantity square root of 5 minus 2. Simplifying this part, the square root of 5 terms will cancel, and we get 2 minus negative 2. This simplifies beautifully to just 4. Now, let us focus on the term inside the remaining cube root. This has the form of a difference of squares. The difference of squares formula states that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Applying this, we get the square root of 5 squared, which is 5, minus 2 squared, which is 4. The result is 1. Substituting this back into our main equation, the entire messy expression simplifies to the cube root of 1. And of course, the cube root of 1 is just 1. This leaves us with the remarkably simple cubic equation. X cubed equals 4 minus 3x. We have transformed our problem into solving this cubic equation. First, let us rearrange it into standard form. X cubed plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. We can look for simple integer solutions by testing the factors of the constant term, which is negative 4. Let us test if x equals 1 is a solution. Plugging in 1, we get 1 plus 3 minus 4, which is indeed 0. So x equals 1 is a root. But are there any other real solutions? We need to be sure. By the factor theorem, since x equals 1 is a root, we know that the quantity x minus 1 must be a factor of the polynomial. Through polynomial division, we can factor our cubic into x minus 1 times the quadratic x squared plus x plus 4. To see if this quadratic part has any real roots, we can examine its discriminant. The discriminant delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. If it is negative, there are no real roots. For our quadratic, a, b, and c are 1, 1, and 4. The discriminant is 1 minus 16, which is negative 15. Since the discriminant is negative, the quadratic factor has no real roots. This confirms that x equals 1 is the only real solution. And so, we have our final answer. The value of that entire complex expression simplifies unbelievably to just 1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this problem, give it a like and subscribe for more. See you next time.